It was only a few months ago that I had a legend reborn in my hands. A cult device like the Motorola Razr had to be paired up with an equally cult machine, the Suzuki Hayabusa. Fast forward to November 2020. Motorola has wasted no time in making their breakthrough foldable screen Razr even better. Here is the new Motorola Razr 5G. But since I am both a technophile and a petrolhead, the obvious question was, which machine should I pair this up with? What could be better than the evergreen Hayabusa? Maybe a bike which has already reached a cult status in less than 5 years of it being first unleashed to the world. The mighty Kawasaki Ninja H2. The fastest street legal production motorcycle in the world. It is as future ready as it can be. Something like the revolutionary foldable display. Now what they have done in the new Razr 5G is basically make the outer screen much more functional, ensuring that you can do almost everything you need right on the secondary display. I was absolutely amazed by what all stuff you could do even without opening the phone. Absolutely infinite capabilities. Incredible. And this brings to another phenomenal piece of engineering that I want to pair up with the Razr 5G. Another icon. Presenting the world's largest capacity production motorcycle, the Triumph Rocket 3R. This is also an example of how much you can do in such a small space. Look at this, it is a 2500cc engine, bigger than most cars, and it's filled with tech. Much like the new Razr 5G and its front quick view display. And yes, the exceptional, innovative, revolutionary and absolutely mind-blowing ultra premium flip clamshell design remains. Their fantastic zero gap hinge ensures that the Razr folds absolutely flush with absolutely zero gap, while also ensuring that the screen develops no creases due to its unique teardrop form that resides within the hinge when it's folded. Not just that, the design also has been tested for enhanced durability with up to 200,000 flip cycles. The Motorola Razr 5G also brags having a dual-use camera that is also the most advanced selfie camera on the planet. Much like the fastest bike and the largest production capacity bikes on the planet that we have here. And it also reminds me on how advanced motorcycles consoles are getting. For example, look at the Triumph Rocket 3R's console. It's like a phone in itself. I mean, as they say, the more the cylinders, the better. I can also say the same about Razr 5G. I don't know of any other phone in this small form factor in which you can also do so many things on the smaller screen. And the best part is that you can continue doing whatever you were on the smaller screen on the bigger one. A total of 8.9 inches of real estate. That means a 2.7-inch external display and a 6.2-inch internal foldable display. I'm also tempted to compare the screen to riding modes. When you are low on fuel or want to ride in extreme rain, it's better to switch to rain mode on the Ninja H2. In the same way, it is great to have a smaller screen that consumes much less power. And yet it remains like a razor, ready to slice through whatever comes its way.